Perfect. Nice. And hit that green dot. X to toe up, okay? On the green dot. Excellent. X. You did that 1 year for your birthday. And you notice that the club is really a lot shorter, isn't it? And it's very flat. There's no loft. Remember what we talked about? The loft is what makes the ball go up in the air, right?
Your daughter was
Emma?
Emma?
Yeah.
And how did Emma like the class?
She loved it.
Did she?
Had a great time.
Yeah, do you think she learned some things?
Oh yeah, she definitely learned how to play golf, and now she's really interested in golf, and she was asking if she could join a golf team. So now we're going to be looking into more golf lessons for her, and I just think it's been a really great experience for her because it's taught her some of the basics of golf.
Very good. And do you think the value was good for how much you paid?
Oh yes, yes. And it
Amazing.
was so nice to get the hat and the club and everything. She really enjoyed it, and she's gone home and she's gone in the backyard with it, and she's actually done her homework, and she has a real interest in it now, and so we're really happy with that.
Thank you very much. And what's your name?
I'm Becky.
Becky, thanks, Becky.
One, all the kids I could see learned the 5 basics, and I saw all the kids doing the 5 basics, which was excellent. And number 2, I'm happy that all the kids can practice this in their backyard.
And how did Addison like the class?
He loved it, and we're planning to take your next course.
You are?
Yeah, he
Yeah.
really enjoyed it and wants to do more.
Very good. And did he go home and practice at home?
He did.
Did he?
Yeah, he's an addict now.
I love it. Which child is yours?
Riley.
Riley. And how did Riley like the class?
She loved it.
She did?
She really enjoyed it.
Oh, that's great. And tell me, did she go home and practice at home?
She did every single day. She was in the backyard
Every day, really?
every day, and with her, she was showing her little brother what she learned.
Oh, very good. Do you think she'll want to golf in the future?
I know she will.
Yeah.
She's already talked to me about it. Definitely.
Very good. Thank you so much.
Ryan.
Ryan, and oh, Ryan is just a cutie.
Yeah,
she
thank
really
you.
is. What do you think she enjoyed the class?
I do. I thought at first she might be a little young, but she seemed to take to it after the first day.
How old was she?
She's 5.
She's
I think
5.
she's the youngest.
Yeah.
And she's doing real well.
Uh-huh. She had a lot of fun, I think.
Yeah.
Do you think, did she go home and hit at home?
She did. We tried to do it every night, but with the rain and the storms. But she did. We showed her brother and my husband, and I had a friend come over, a girlfriend, and we brought out the birdie ball, and she showed my girlfriend. So she was pretty proud of it.
Do you think she'll want to golf in the future?
Yeah, definitely. And I'm thinking about actually doing this next session
Oh, yeah.
in July.
Very good.
So,
Thank you. Your child's name?
Julie.
Julie. And tell me, do you think Julie liked the class?
Oh yeah, I think she loved the class.
Oh, you think Julie liked the class?
Loved it.
And tell me, what do you think was the best thing you saw in the class?
I think that since it was told, the way it was taught about the basics,
Yeah.
so that you get comfortable with the basics and you could make it more fun in the long run.
Did she go home and practice?
Oh yes, she did.
You think she'll want to golf in the future?
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Okay? But it's just little increments of your swing, okay? Just like a clock. Count however it works for you, however the clock looks in your head. Okay, for me, I see. Perfect. Nice. And hit that green dot. Beautiful. X to toe up, okay? On the green dot. Excellent. X. You did that 1 year for your birthday. And you notice that the club is really a lot shorter, isn't it? And it's very flat. There's no loft. Remember what we talked about? The loft is what makes the ball go up in the air, right? Okay. Good shot. Oh my goodness, that's a great shot. Excellent, excellent. Okay, let's go hit our second shots. Take your pads.
Are they keeping their own scores? One out of each group?
Good shot. Oh, look at that. Perfect. There we go. Okay. Okay, Addison. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put your pad next to the T marker. Okay, because that tells us that everybody's starting from the same place.
Whoa, you did it!
What a great big swing there, buddy. Right with that pad. Excellent work, buddy. Excellent work. Oh, right at it. Right at it. Oh, you hit it.
I hit it.
Okay. We're going to count that today.
3.
That was 3. Okay. Boom.
Oh, that went like.
Good. Okay.
Now we got.
And shake his hand. Good boy. Congratulations is what you say to each.
At one time, he sat on a hill just like you, had some ideas, studied hard, kind of made good grades in school,
really say
and ended up inventing a product that's really kind of helped revolutionize the game of golf and how we bring it to youngsters. So this is a friend of mine. This is Mr. John Breaker. He invented birdie ball. How about a round of applause for John? So pretty neat stuff. And then this gentleman back here filming everything, that's John's partner, Mr. Paul Olson with Birdie Ball. So thanks to John and Paul for having us out today. Okay, so basically the first thing we're going to do is we're going to teach you how to grip the golf club.
We hit that easy or hard?
Easy.
See how easy that was?
Yeah, and you could hear it.
Yeah. Okay, so that's a big swing. Okay, so everybody stand up. Okay? And put a ball on your green dot. Little quick. Oh, Ryan.